SAFM, leading the conversation.
21 minutes after 7 now, the time. Did you see a strong statement yesterday from the lawyers for the Public Enterprises, Minister Pravin Gordhan, about the Public Protector, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane? So you may remember on Thursday you heard an interview with her spokesperson, Opa Osagawe, about why she had summoned Gordhan to testify before her about the Ivan Pillay pension package at SARS. She wants Gordhan to come and testify on Wednesday. He's due to testify at the Zondo Commission on State Capture on Thursday. So after that interview with Segawe, the Public Protector's Twitter account said she was issuing the subpoena for Pravin Gordhan because he'd ignored 4 other attempts at communication. I must remind you, in that interview with Segawe, he hadn't mentioned that. Then yesterday, Gordhan's attorney issues a statement saying to claim that he ignored 4 communications from the Public Protector was, here's the quote, simply deceptive, false and incorrect. Well, the attorney for Pravin Gordhan is Tebogo Malatji. Tebogo, good morning.
Morning, Stephen, to you and your listeners.
When did you and your client first hear of the complaint that had been made to the Public Protector?
On the 5th of February this year, Minister received a letter from the Public Protector, which he then forwarded to me to respond to.
Last week, the Public Protector tweeted she had contacted you or your client 4 times to arrange a meeting. What's your response to that?
Well, as we say in our statement, there had been responses and engagements with her office. In particular, the allegations that suggested that there's maladministration, that there is dishonesty and impropriety on the part of the minister were quite concerning. And we thought whoever complained had presented evidence to the office of the Public Protector and therefore called for that evidence. That we did on the 16th of February 2018.
Okay, so the Public Protector is not telling the truth. That tweet is not correct.
Well, I think one arm of her office is not telling the other arm what's happening. And I can't put it at any other level other than that.
Okay. What happened with the complaint as far as you are aware between November 2016 and this year? In other words, was there any communication or progress with this through 2017?
In 2017, none whatsoever. As I said, our first, indication of a complaint having been made was in February this year. And we had the interaction we did. And in response to our letter of 16 February, we were told by the office that there is no evidence of any wrongdoing on the part of the minister. So put differently, they couldn't present to us any information or evidence of wrongdoing on the part of the minister. And that's where it ended until it flared up again in July.
So you haven't been provided with more information about why there might now be a case to respond to?
No. In fact, the complaint regurgitates precisely and in exactly the same terms what was contained in the charge sheet against the minister in 2016. And as you would know, those criminal charges were eventually withdrawn.
You're saying it's copy and paste?
Yeah, in fact, yeah, precisely, copy and paste.
Okay. The EFF has now lodged its own complaint with the Public Protector, alleging he's lied by previously saying he has not met with the Guptas and now says that he did. Now, this is to do with the documents filed with the Zondo Commission. There's a lot of political heat around this, Tebogo. Are you prepared to defend such claims? Do you and your client deny that he lied over meetings with the Guptas?
Stephen, as you would know, I'm not at liberty to disclose what my client and I discussed. But what I can tell you is we have no notification, formally or otherwise, of a complaint lodged with the Public Protector in respect of the EFF complaint. The matter falls outside of my scope as attorney. I have not received any formal instructions in relation thereto, obviously because there isn't any formal notification from the Public Protector in relation to such complaint.
Tebogo Malatji, thanks very much indeed. Do appreciate it. The attorney representing the Minister of Public Enterprises, Pravin Gordhan. It's 26 minutes now after 7.